Everyone, you're taking a live look at the opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Prudential celebrating 150 years. Wow, where were you when? And yeah, if you were around, then my.
Well, good morning, guys. Today I'll be recording my trading session. I haven't done it in a while. I'm excited to start. The market just opened. We have like a range, two legs up, it turned in range. Now we have a downtrend in play. Let's see if we can get a higher low here. So we're running back to EMA. Looks like we might get a higher low here, but I'm not. Let me see. I'd rather wait for a failure at this point so we can run it back into the EMA. No higher low. Right here, I would like to see a failure or a second inch long if that's possible. So that second inch long finished a little too low. I want to see a higher low above the EMA now. It finished way too low below the EMA. So let's see if we can get a second inch long but with a higher low now, confirming the second inch long. I'm gonna see if I can get it. I like this higher low here, but it will not even trigger. If this bar triggers below this bar, I'm gonna cancel out my order, and it did not. And yes.
Order canceled.
So yeah, no trade there. Unless we get another higher low. Now it's just like kind of showing bearish momentum, honestly. So I'm not sure if I want to go long anymore. We'll see how price action develops. So right now, I'm just keep pausing it. I will say this bar is interesting, but this bar is finishing way too big now. Yeah, this bar finishing way too big. We have two legs back. Kind of feel the gap here. Prices open up here. What were they? They opened here, so I guess they were filling this little gap they had. Maybe you get a higher low here above this big bearish bullish bar. I mean, we'll see right here maybe. But kind of right now it's kind of showing like signs of bearishness. Like, so I don't feel comfortable going long here. Maybe something like this right now. Maybe like this is something forming right now. Something along the lines like this. We'll see. I'm playing around with the channel right now to see how it fits. This might be the channel. It just right now it's just it's having trouble trying to break to the EMA. So we'll see. Maybe we might get a second short here. I'll pause it here. Let's see if anything happens. My order here. We're struggling to break to that EMA. I want to see finish like this bar here. No good. Let's see if we get a better bar. It's definitely struggling. No, I don't want to trigger now. Let's see.
Order canceled.
This channel might not be correct. Wait, promoter.
Order submitted.
Okay, we have like a second tree. See if we can get a short. This channel might be wrong, might be right. Might be something like this. It's just showing signs of bearishness right now. It's not really playing the range rules. Usually they go push back into the thing. We might have a trade here maybe. You might consider this bar here.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled. We're in this right here. I should probably go for 5 points because ETR is pretty low. I mean 10 points. Yeah, 10 points. I was going for 20 points. So let's see how this plays out. I like this trade because 2 legs up, second tree short too, and we're kind of struggling to go past the EMA. Let's see how it finishes here. ATR is pretty low though, so I feel like I might have went for 5 points. Yeah, 5 points would have been the move here. Look, we might get trapped here. We just gotta see and let it play out. We can't move it. We can't do anything with it. We might get trapped. That's just part of trading. Okay. Yeah, I feel like 5 points right now is a move because ATR is pretty low. Okay, now we have a higher low. I mean lower high. So that might be a good sign of buying, sending pressure. But now it's getting too congested, so now it's a little getting sketchy. So we'll see if I decide to go for 5 points instead of the 10, because ATR is low. And let me see. Okay, nice bearish bar. Right here. It's getting too congested here. I'm gonna pause here. It might take a little while, so I'm just gonna pause. I might move my stop loss here actually. Or maybe we might hit it right now. We'll see. I might pause it here because it's kind of taking a while here. We'll resume the video. We're close.
Target filled.
Nice. Nice trade here. Technically, here is the signal bar is this bar. But I just like how this bar finished the second bar. You can take this as a second. Either you can engulf it, because engulfing you really. So basically, engulfing means like it means that you engulf the other bar, even though the bar is, because you see the bias. The bias means like what the price is doing, what direction it's going. And so this bar doesn't really matter how it forms. You can engulf it, but I didn't engulf it. It's a little scary. So that's why I went for this bar. Finished nice. It's 2 legs up too. Second entry short technically. Technically same entry happened here because first entry went up and came down. Second entry short. But this is 2 legs. You can clearly see it's 2 legs here. See, to the tick as well. And then you have a nice lower high right here. So you can either take one of these two trades. So yeah, I'm gonna see if you take another trade here. Look at that. If I had a runner, I would have caught a pretty nice move, isn't it? Look at this. It would have been $134. Let's just have a put it right here, put it here, put it here. $90 there. But I don't have a runner right now. I'm just scalping. Until I get the account bigger, and then I can use runners. Look at that. Measured legs to the tick. Perfect. Look at that. Isn't that insane? To the tick. If you get a lower high here, I might consider taking it to go back to the EMA. That was just too perfect. Look at that. Alright, so here, I mean, this bar is pretty bearish. I mean, bullish. But it's just that, like, when these bars, you're about to take a lower high just to be safe, because usually they can trap you, you know. Like, let's say, oh, you see how it's kind of the same bar. You took it, look what happened. It went against you. So it's just safer to take a lower high, confirming that we're gonna push up now. Yeah. No lower high here though. Just gotta wait more patiently. A little tempting, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty tempting to go short here, but I feel like it's too far now to be called low or high, and people might get trapped here or not. I have a feeling they might get trapped. I mean, this bar is pretty big. Let's talk about this one here. Like a same thing, same concept for this. Workers, even though this is far from the EMA, might have worked. But you go away for a lower high, which is right here. But now this is too far to be a lower high. This bar should form around this area here. So yeah, you can see it worked. But I just feel like if it was a little closer, I would have definitely taken it. I just didn't feel safe on it. Alright, so here I'm contemplating if this is an overshoot. If it overshot this channel, then I push higher. Or we can have it like this. But the midline don't fit correctly, so I might be right. It might be like this. In that case, I'm gonna try to look for a trap. See what forms up here. Okay, this is definitely tempting.
Order submitted.
Definitely tempting to go short here. Wow. No, that bar is nasty looking. I don't like that bar, man. No good, no good, no good, no good, no good.
Order canceled.
See, I'm kind of playing something like this. It's like an overshoot for sure. Let's see if this triggers and let's see if it reverses. Because if it reverses up and turns into a nice bar like this, it's a trap. You do it 2 legs up. I'm just kind of conflicted here. Like, I don't know if it's to play the overshoot or to play the not overshoot. Like so. If we get another lower high like this here, I might consider it. So I'm gonna pause it here for now. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna take a stab at this bar here. It's like a lower high here with triggers. We might get a better single bar there. Let me be patient here. We might get a better single bar on this bar. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient on this bar here.
Order canceled.
This bar might turn down right now. Not must, but it might turn down. Now we have like a fishy 2 legs up. Maybe something like this. 2 legs played out already, so the overshoot played out. Now let's see this little bar here. Let me draw the midline here. Okay, midline fits nice. Because I'm peeping something like this now. You think something like this maybe? It had a breaking low already. Let's see if it made a new low. Yeah, it made a new low. So let's see something like that. Overshoot. So it might be like that, or something like this. Which also doesn't feel too bad. Let's see if we get a lower high here. I'm gonna pause it here. Okay, so it's definitely playing this channel. It's definitely. This might be the channel for here, actually. Like so, had a break in the low, but now we have another channel, a bigger channel. See, this bar becomes a lower high. Oops.
Order submitted.
Just my order ready, just in case. This has to finish below the EMA. Oh my gosh, it's so tempting. I'm gonna go for it.
Order filled.
Okay. We got filled immediately. It's pushing lower. Let's see how this plays out. This is looking very bearish overall too. Oops. So let's see. Right here. Right here. Let's see if we can get our target, our full target. Usually I would have been scalped already. For 10 points, but I feel like we might push lower here more. So maybe I should hold, maybe I should not. For here. We just gotta let it play out. Should probably hold it for 10 points, huh? We just gotta see. That's just like sketchy. So let's see. We get in there, close. Get close. We can go break even if we want to. Should we go break even? Nah, I think I'm gonna let it play out. Okay, so we got stopped out. We should have went for the 10 points early on. But this is a good trade though. But we should just sort of went for. We should just went for the 10
Order
points here.
submitted.
Might enter another trade here actually. No. But yeah, we should just
Order canceled.
trades here, but got a little greedy, I guess. So alright, so here goes another trade here. To go short. See if we don't get punished here. I shouldn't be doing this. This is like me revenge trading, but pretty far from the EMA. And we have 2 legs up. This is very aggressive, by the way. I'm using this middle bar as a signal bar, but this is very, very aggressive. We might get punished here. Yep, it looks like we might get punished here. Yep. Yeah, we got punished.
Stop filled.
Yeah, so we got punished there for over trading. That kind of sucks, but I want a couple of ticks to stop me out. Look at it go. I hate when it does that, man. I really do. I really hate when it does that.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're definitely pushing over here for sure now. I'm gonna trail it every time because more and more. Target's really 80 to be honest. That's the target really. Okay, so we're finally pushing lower, but still struggling. I'm tighten it here.
Stop filled.
Alright. Alright, so we got the money back we lost. I don't know, just I feel like this push was enough to make the new low. As you can see. It is probably gonna go lower for sure, but you see how much it was struggling? You know what I'm saying? It was just, yeah. I'd rather just take it off there, really. I had my target down here. But yeah, I should have took the profits when I had them here. And then I just took this, what is it? This lower high here. We took it loss here, very aggressive trade, set. We took lower high here. We fought it out. And we got the money back. But it's been so choppy here. I'm very disappointed in myself again for this trade here I just took here. This is a revenge trade and I'm not happy with it. I took, how many trades I've taken already? Okay, we won here. This is a winner, but we just went for more than we wanted to, and then we took a revenge trade here, and then I took a lower high here. It was a good trade. We just had to fight it out. But yeah. I might just 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we're done trading because we took 4 trades. I usually only take 3 trades. So I might be done here. I think it's short here, but I'm looking for a trap really because we really have a downtrend break to new low. So let's see if this is a trap here because I will kind of take this trap here to push higher. Okay, so the trap did not finish well at all. That trap is no good. I want to see better bar. We have a better swing bar here. We'll see. But the EMA is starting to congest here, so the trap here, this bar is pretty nice. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay. Why is my target so big? Right here. Actually, 5 points. 10 points right here. Alright, let's see. Let's blow up this bar right here. Yeah, this bar. It's a trap, so it's gonna trap some shorts for sure. We might even trail this. Like trail it. Let it get finished. Okay, I want to see you finish and then trail it. Make more profit out of it. Hopefully. Thank you. I want to trail it. Like so. Like so. Just slowly trail it like this. What I tell you is gonna trap people. I want to slowly trail it. Like so. We might get a big runner here, really. Trigger put it right here, and so on.
Stop filled.
Okay, we got fucked up. B2, what I tell you is gonna trap so many shorters there. But yeah, that's gonna cut it for me today. I'm done with trading today. I'm just gonna continue to watch the chart though. But I'm not gonna take no more trades. But you see how they trap all those all the sellers. But yeah, I'm done trading for today, and we're just gonna continue market the chart. Like I said, kind of disappointed on this one because I let some emotion get to me because I got too greedy here. So yeah, but yeah, I'm pause it here, and I'm gonna resume it. I'm gonna continue up to the chart, pause it here, open, turn it on, pause it, turn it on, pause it, turn it on, so you can see how the chart is developing. But I'm not gonna take any more trades. Bye bye.
Market without any strong connection to valuation or to earnings or to other fundamentals.
All right, guys. Hello. It's 3:35, and this is today's wrap up of the MNQ trading session. Let's go look back into it. All right. Let's see. Wait, I think my mic is not connected. Let me check. No, it's not. Oh, here we go. All right. So let me put it like this. The market open right here. This is at 7:23. You can take this trade. Like a failure worked, and then the market, it's 9:16, still hasn't opened here. This is a little aggressive. A lower high would have been, it's a one touch triple test, but you see how far it is from the triple test. So I'll wait for a lower high here, but it is far from you want to be a little risky, you can take that trade, but I'd rather wait for a lower high. Okay, and so right here, I don't see nothing here. This is the trade I took. Technically, this is the trade here, the second entry. But I'd take this bot right here, right there, and then we got this lower high. And if for what time is it? What time? Oh, never mind. There, I saw it here. Alright, so we got lower high here. Like I said, this is the more safer trade to take. And look at you, we got a nice little runner. We have like 2 legs measured. Then we have this another channel that we had developed here. Right here, had a break. 2 new low. Now that I look at this, this is actually a red trade. But during the time, it was a little more aggressive. Because usually this bar would have been better around this area here, not here. I feel like it's too far to be a lower high. But after the fact, it's a very nice trade actually. This one, like I said, you rather wait for a lower high, which you get right here, which now is just like, oh yeah, definitely a great, very good trade. So that one worked. You get a little overshoot, and then you get another. Oops. Now 2 legs up, lower high. I took this one sell, but I went for more points. I went for my standard points, I would have got scalped, but I went for 20, and you can see he stopped me out. And then here, I took an aggressive trade. I was not happy myself, as you can see. It worked the way I wanted to, but it stopped me out by one little tick, which is a little annoying. But this is very aggressive. This is a revenge trade, which I'm not happy about at all. And then I took this lower high here. I forgot to mark that one. Lower high here. Nice lower high too. We still need that. We still need a retest of this down bigger channel, which we got. You can see. I took it, scalped it out quite a few. I won those 2 losers back and more. So that was good. And then we have 2 legs measured almost to the tick, literally to the tick, like very close. And then I took this trap here, which I knew was going to trap people because we already have a break to new low for the bigger channel, and it's also 2 legs to measure and move. So then I took this trap. How much did I get out of this one? I got 10, 11 points, 12 points. So yeah, so we're in profits for today, and then you can see reverse, as you can see 2 legs back, and the measure move. Excuse me, it had to break the new low already, so and then we traded up to this range. This one's very tempting, but I said I was done for trading. No matter how many trades were to show me, I wasn't gonna take them because I took quite a few trades. I took one, two, three. Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's too much trading. That's way. I only take 3, and I took 6, so I broke my rules. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean 5. I took 5. Still over traded. Like I said, but we'll get back to this. So we traded back into this range. There is this nice second entry long here at the bottom of the range. Nice. You can take it back to the highs. And then you got lower high here. Very good trade. But like I said, I'm not gonna continue trading more. And then we have like this 2 legs down. Second entry long. This would have been way better if it closed inside the range. And then you can take this fella. I didn't even see that. Right here. Close inside the range. Great trade. And then we push below. You can kind of like take this tiny little bar, but it's a little more risky. There's a channel there. I just didn't draw it. As you can see, right there. So maybe you can take that bar because this bar is very small. Yeah, very small. I'm gonna make this full screen. And then we have these 2 amazing trades here. Very, very good trades. 2 legs, measure move. Look at that, to the tick, literally. It's a little lower. To the tick. Just perfect. Like it's just perfect price action. And now we're just getting. And then we have this second entry short. Well, actually, first entry. It's like a third entry. It's like a lower high. But yeah, and then we have this one though bottom, but this is getting too late now. But yeah, that was the trade that I took today, and that was the trading day for today. I traded a little more than I wanted to. Like I said, I got upset here, kind of. I let my emotions get to me a little bit, and I revenge traded here. But overall, it's a pretty good day. Let's see what we have tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Bye bye.